I'm going to show you how I made this much online without having my own product. I've had this screenshot in a few of my last videos, and quite a few people have actually asked me how I made this. So I'm going to go through it step by step. Now, this is an award for actually doing one of these methods, and I get these nearly every single year. So I actually know how to make money online with this method. I'm going to show you the exact blueprint that I actually used to make the money that I just showed you. And more importantly, I'm going to go ahead and give you your own blueprint that you can implement at the end of this video. And this will help you understand how to make money online without actually having your own product, and how I did it as well. Now, you want to watch this free tutorial all the way to the end, because I've been doing this for a very long time, and this is actually how you make money, and I'm going to show you everything that I did. So let's jump in and I'll show you. Let's get started. All right, guys. So first of all, we need to go over what is affiliate marketing. It's one of the oldest methods to make money online, and it's one of the best. It's one of the true tested ones that's been going on for some time now. So what we do is we find a product and we go ahead and we promote that product. So we send traffic to that product. It tracks a sale, and then we earn a commission from that sale, essentially. So once we find that product, we join as an affiliate, right? So we get a custom link that we can send people to. Very basic business model. And more importantly, why would you want to do affiliate marketing? There are so many advantages. So you don't need to create your own product. This is a huge one because it can cost a lot of money to create software, courses, and things like that. You don't have to do that. You can pretty much just promote things straight away. There's no customer support required. You don't need to deal with anybody. Take it from me, who's got thousands of students inside his products. Customer support is a huge thing, and you don't want to be dealing with it, especially if you're a beginner. I have a team that does it for me. You earn commissions by just sending traffic. So that's your main focus, is just sending traffic. Low startup cost, sometimes even zero, depending on the method. And then you can scale it, and it's flexible. And there is a potential for passive income. Now, I say that a little bit lightly because it's more like semi-passive income, but there are some recurring commission programs where you do get passive income. For example, I make a recurring commission from someone who signed up to me to a program 8 years ago. I still make a commission from that person today. So there is an element of passive income in affiliate marketing, depending on how you do it. So just before we move on, a little bit of a backstory about me, because we have a lot of new people to this channel. Around about 15 years ago, maybe 16, 17 years ago, this is me working a job in construction. Now, at that time, I've been working online since I was really young, way before this. At this time right here, I was importing products from a website called drjays.com. I just went there, they're refreshing their site. So I used to import products from drjays.com, sneakers, clothing, and skateboards, and I used to sell them over here in my country, New Zealand, online. And I made around about $50 to $100 profit per thing I sold. I did all right. It wasn't too bad, but it was supplementing my income at my job. Now, when I became successful online, I started to share my strategies inside my Facebook groups. And then I also decided to start a YouTube channel 10 years ago and share my strategies as well. And I've built this up over a long time. And now I make a full-time living with e-commerce and dropshipping online. Now, one of the advantages to my country, you might not have this in your country, but we have a thing called zero-rated GST on overseas sales. So all of the stuff so if I have a New Zealand business and I sell stuff overseas, like affiliate commissions and dropshipping and stuff, I don't pay any taxes on that. It's like a glitch. It's crazy. So there's a lot of advantages to working online, especially in my country. So now let's look to some of the earnings. Now, I've helped quite a lot of people get commissions from affiliate marketing. These are some of the commissions here. We're going to get through this stuff real quick, and I'm going to actually show you how you can start making money with this stuff. And then there's some commissions here. And then here's someone that sold one of their affiliate marketing websites. You can pause the screen and read this. He sold his affiliate marketing website, and he learned from my training. So let's get started. How do we actually do this, and how does this work? So let's look at this. These are some of the results that I've made over the years from this one particular platform. Now, if we actually look at this platform down here, this is it here. I get 40% recurring monthly commissions from promoting this product. Now, this is the product here. It's called clickfunnels.com, where people can simply build funnels, okay? It's really simple to understand. You've probably heard of it before. ClickFunnels. I get 40% commissions, and I think the minimum price is $97 per month. Now, I'm going to explain to you exactly how I did that, And then we're going to jump into how you can actually go and do this yourself. So the way I did this, and there's actually multiple ways that I did this. This is one of them. I ran advertising to a 3-day training session. Now you can create these without showing your face. Doesn't really matter. And the people that got emails, so when I got the leads in, on the first day, they got a training session. This is free training session. On the second day, they got a training session. On the third day, they got a training session. In that training session, I taught people how to build funnels. And what did I do? I recommended ClickFunnels to them, okay? So I got commissions. And then I also recommended an email software platform down here, and I got commissions as well. So what I did was I gave away free value to get commissions. And that's really all there is to that. It's very simple to understand. Now, here is another one that I did. And this, I'm giving you 2 examples here. I ran advertising, and what I did is I gave away particular e-commerce products that I've made money with. And then I had once they got that, so they got that and went onto the email list down here, but then they got sent to an upsell or a product that I sold for $37. That $37 paid for some of the ads. It paid for around about 80% of the ads or something like that. Can't remember. So it paid for around about 80% of the ads. So I could just pump ads every day, all day. Now, you might be thinking, well, how did I make affiliate commissions from this? Easy. I basically went into ClickFunnels and I created an e-commerce funnel that people could use. And then what happens is you share that funnel and you get a commission for people using ClickFunnels. So this is another way that I made money with ClickFunnels. But you'll see that there's 2 things that we have in common with these methods. Number 1 is this one I gave away free training. Okay? This one here, I gave away a free funnel, but for them to use the funnel, they had to sign up as an affiliate. All right, so now I want to jump into how you can make money with this, but I want to tell you one problem with affiliate marketing that puts people off, or they don't even know about this. So if we go to like Amazon affiliate, so you obviously know Amazon, the website, you can actually make affiliate commissions from that website, but they're very low. They range from 1 to 10%. Now, this used to be a lot different 10 years ago, and you could make a considerable amount of money from Amazon affiliates, but you can't really do it anymore. You need a lot of volume. So what do you actually do? You find these products like GetResponse, for example. This is an email marketing software where you can make a lot more. And I'll give you an example here. This is their pricing. And you get a recurring commission, 30% for each person you send to them every month. Now, look at how high these prices start to go. For someone that has 1,000 contacts, they're paying $15 per month, but they usually go for the marketer plan. That's the better one with automations. So it's nearly $50 a month straight away. So you get 30% of that. But look how fast it racks up. The more contacts people get. Okay? How many contacts do you think I have on my account? It's over 300,000. I pay a lot, like nearly 2K per month. So you think about this. There is actually someone, I know the person, who makes 33% of a couple of grand per month from my GetResponse from me signed up. So even if you can get people to sign up and they start to build up to like 5K, you get 30% of $77 per month, or even 89 if they go for this one, because this now has like a course thing where you can make courses and stuff. AI course creator, this is new. So imagine you get someone paying $500 a month, a 100K thing. So like, that's the beauty of these softwares, right? Amazon is like really bad for affiliates because the price of the products are so low and so are the commissions. So let's just get rid of that. Waste of time. But look at this. You can make a considerable amount of money promoting these softwares. And if we go to the pricing of ClickFunnels as well, promote this, most people end up on like the 140, the 197 plan, or the whatever, the 297. Most people end up on these plans that stick to you because they want to make a course. There's all of these things they can do. It soon starts to rack up. And you're getting 40% per month. So that's actually the annual discount. If we go to monthly plans, $97, $197, 297, you're getting 40% every single month from whoever you sign up as long as they stay on. So it's absolutely insane affiliate marketing. It is the best, one of the best. I would say it's right now, it's the top 5 ways to make money online. You have affiliate marketing, e-commerce, you've got like social media marketing agencies, you've got AI agencies. There's probably one other good one in there somewhere that I can't think about. But affiliate marketing is a huge business opportunity. So let's dive into how you can actually make money with this. Let's just say hypothetically, you want to promote GetResponse. How do you do that? There's a few ways. What I would recommend you do is you make an offer. So for example, I created a 13-lesson course, didn't show my face, just talking about how to use GetResponse to improve someone's business or just to set up emails, okay? Now, this has 300 students right now, but it actually had a lot more. We just changed platforms. I give this away for free, okay? So out of 300 people that are in here right now, probably at least had like probably 100 that have signed up, but it was a lot more. And I'm still actually promoting this, pushing it. So what happens is if you just go and promote the affiliate product without any kind of like anything, hey, sign up. You're not really going to get any signups, okay? You have to give some sort of incentive. So give away a free course on how to use GetResponse. Then what do? There's 2 ways you can do this, free traffic or paid traffic. And that's just it. That's just the truth. So first of all, start testing free traffic methods to go to your free course that you're going to give away. And you're going to have a landing page and stuff like that. I have some landing pages below that you can import. Once you've done the free traffic and you're starting to get some revenue coming in, start to run paid advertising to this free offer. And then inside this free offer, you can have other upsells as well. Hey, do you want to use a landing page, a better landing page creator? Use ClickFunnels. You can put multiple affiliate offers inside your free offer. And that's how you do it. That's the best way to actually do it. And here's an example right here. If we go to here, you'll see that I did 2 tutorials a few years ago. I'm probably due to do another one where I promote GetResponse, okay? If we click on this, what's going on, guys? It's a review on GetResponse, okay? We're talking about how we spent 300 and we made back nearly $1 million with advertising. And then we go down to here and it says free trial. If someone clicks on this, it goes to this page. You'll see here that my affiliate link is in the top. Any purchases that are made on this website, I get a commission, 33% every single month until that person cancels. I have people who have been on with me for over 8 or 9 years. Whenever this program first came out, I've had people on for that amount of time. I've had people from this video 5 years ago who are still on as well. And it's that simple, guys. That is why affiliate marketing is so powerful, because you're essentially doing the same thing. You're just promoting a product and you're getting a commission for it. And that's one of the ways that I make my income online. All right. So I just want to give you guys a bit of a heads up on how you can do that and all that sort of stuff on what affiliate marketing is about for all the new guys to my channel. I'm not expecting this video to blow up or anything, but what I want to do is below, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I have some stuff for you below. I have my Savage Affiliates course, which is quite advanced. We go through all of that stuff, everything you need to know. I'm going to link my group where you can come in. There's a free trial and you can come and have a look around. We have some stuff in there as well. I'm also going to give you access to some of my free funnels below in the description. Okay. You don't have to check it out, but I'm going to leave it there anyway if you want to check it out and learn more about affiliate marketing and everything like that. But that's it in a nutshell. This is how I make my affiliate marketing commissions, by giving away something, and then they have to use that program to use what I'm giving away. And I just gave you a blueprint right here on how you can actually go and do that yourself. I'll see you guys in the next video.